It is super cute. I usually wear a small or medium. I'm 5'8", 130-ish pounds. This is the medium, so I would say if you're like kind of between sizes like me, I would say maybe size down. It does not come with a belt, and I feel like that's the only thing it's missing. If you belt it in, it kind of gives it more of a contrast. I feel like that's a cuter look. It does have pockets, very important, and I am here for it. I'm 5'8", and it's hitting me right below the knee. So for my petite girls, it might hit you more like a T-length, but for me, it's way up here. I love it. So comfy and like just really nice fabric, really soft and like perfect for running errands, lounging around the house. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, like wear it as a pool cover up, like so many options. I love the Flutter sleeves because they're like really nice and cool and breezy for the pits, but at the same time, they offer that extra protection against the sun. I feel like this is really nice coverage, but just so cute.